Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Learning Club. Hope you are enjoying my videos and learning something new and meaningful. So today we are going to talk about a real life scenario which usually people who are working on MS Excel very frequently and have faced sometime in their career. Sometimes we work on files, create meaningful data, and after putting a lot of efforts to save our file, our sheets, we protect our sheets with the help of passwords. And later, sometime we forget these passwords. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you remove passwords from Excel worksheet. You might have heard it can only be removed with the help of some password removing softwares or maybe with the help of any programmer on. However, I will show you how to remove the passwords without any softwares, without any help from any programmer, with few simple steps. So let's get started. I would recommend make a backup of your file first time when you try these steps. So in case if you miss any step, you would not lose your data. Okay, I already have a backup. So this is the file I have. The name of the file is pivot sheet. This is the location. To start with, let me first show you the data which I have in this file. So this file has multiple sheets, 20 plus sheets it has, and we'll be working on this sheet. This is a table, and if you look at, whenever I'm trying to edit any information or any data in this sheet, it gives me the message that the sheet is protected. Okay, so let's close this file first and let's go back. So the first step, we need to change the extension of this file. Excel files extension is XLSX. Sometimes you may be able to see this extension with file name. If you are not able to, like right now I'm not able to see this, what you have to do, go to file, change folder and search options, go to view tab and uncheck this hide extension for unknown file types. Okay, apply. Okay, here you can see that this is the extension. So what we are going to do, select the file, rename. You can rename the file by pressing F2 as well, and we will replace XLSX from zip, which is a zip file. So it will ask for the confirmation, say yes. Once the file is converted into zip file, what you need to do, just right click and extract all the information. Select the location, say extract. It will take time basis on the how heavy data you have. So you are routed to the another window. Here what will we do, we'll go to Excel file and then we'll go to worksheet folders, and here you can see the multiple XML files I have. It's basis on the number of sheets I have in the Excel file, okay, and it is on the sequence. One thing what I like to highlight here, let me show. So you can see the sheet is saved by the name of sheet 3. However, if you notice, let's go back to the file. These all files are being saved by the sheet number. So it means it's by the sequence number. Sheet 23 is the last sheet which we would be working on. Okay, so let's open this XML file. We'll be opening this file in Word format. So right click, open with, select WordPad. Here you can see the lot of codes here. It put all the data which you have basis on the data. Okay, now search for protection. Okay, click next. It will take some time to search this information because the heavy the data you have, the heavy codes would be here, and it takes some time. So it is still searching. wait for another few seconds. Yes, so you can see this is a protection. Okay, what we have to do, we need to select from start of this bracket till end of the bracket. Once you select this section, okay, here it is, and delete this section. Okay, we'll delete the section from starting till end. Make sure you have selected the bracket open till bracket end. After deleting, save the file and close it. Now we'll go back. Again, we'll go back. Now these 4 files, we select these 4 files, 2, 3, 4, and then right click, and we'll compress into zip folder. Okay, once you click here, you can see the new folder. So whatever name you want to give to this file, I will write as no password. Okay, so once the file is renamed, we will again convert it back to Excel file, and this time we will change the extension from zip to XLSX. File has converted into Excel file. Let's open this file, and this is our data, and let's check. Try and deleting some information. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that there is no password protection in the sheet. The password has been removed. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and promote this channel. And definitely I'll be waiting for your comments.